Welcome to S2VR Design. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to change sky in post-production. Let's do it. Now we have our rendering. But we want to change the sky. In this case, we only need the alpha channel. First, we need to turn off all the lights in the scene. Then hit Render. In V-Ray Frame Buffer, click on Switch to Alpha Channel. After the rendering finished, click on Save Current Channel. Now drag the rendering into Photoshop. Then drag the alpha channel and sky image as well. I want to put the sky image layer under the rendering, but I can't. To do that, we need to double-click on the background layer. Then hit OK. Now we can take the sky down. Click on Alpha Layer. Then press Ctrl-A to select all. Press Ctrl-C to copy. And Ctrl-D to deselect. Hide the alpha layer. Click on Layer 0. Then click on Add Layer Mask. Press Alt and click on Layer Mask. Then Ctrl-V to paste the alpha layer. Press Ctrl-D to deselect it. Go to our rendering. Click on it. Now you can see the sky is transparent. Then click on the sky image layer. Press V to activate Move tool. And press Ctrl-T. Drag the sky layer to the top corner. Drag the pivot in the middle to the top corner. Click on View. Zoom out 2 times. Drag the bottom right corner while holding Shift. Then drag it to the appropriate size. Double-click on the sky image. Go to View and choose Fit on Screen. Finally, go to File, Save As, and change to JPEG. That's all for today's video. Thanks for joining me in this video tutorial. Please subscribe to see more video and keep this channel alive. See you again next time.